Hello children, open your English textbooks and open the page number 19. Lesson number 7, Tubby and the Magic Pencil. Now read along with me. Mr. Seth, no, I found it in the garden. It was close to a scrub. I thought you would use it. Tubby, yes father, I will do my homework with it. Granny, son, you can make fine sketches with pencil. Then I will buy color pencils for you. Tubby, yes Granny, let me try with this pencil first. Scene 1 over. Scene 2. Tubby is in his study room. He has opened a notebook. He is about to write on it. Tubby, it is a nice pencil. I will write with it. As soon as he writes a word on the notebook, a genie appears before him. He has come out of the pencil. Genie, aha, here I come. You are my master. Who? Tubby, who are you? Genie, I am your slave, intelligent boy. My name is Genie. When you write with this pencil, I appear before you. I can do anything for you. I am the servant of this pencil. If you own this pencil, then you own me.